The table can hold 100 pounds on the bottom shelf, as you see, as well as 100 pounds on the top shelf. It can hold up to 200 pounds altogether. You're looking for a cocktail table plant stand that you could decorate your garden, that could fit a large planter or a small planter on top, 2-tier shelves. These are just some of the examples that you have for a small table, indoor and outdoor. What we're going to do is show you how to set up the table and what it's used for. This is from a provider called KAAPSAM. It is a table, an outdoor table for your garden, porch, as well as indoor. It has a capacity of 200 pounds maximum load, 100 pounds on the top shelf and 100 pounds on the bottom shelf. They come in two types of designs. It's 14.96 inches. It is under 15 inches in design. As everything is protected, we take it out of the covers. You can see the design. You get an instruction guide to go over on how to assemble. A right angle Allen key for your tool. 6 bolts to put on. The small shelf with design. On the back side, the bolt areas, the sockets. Replicated design on the top shelf, so when assembly, please make sure the ladybug matches. And on the side over here is a bar for design and the bolts that go into the sockets. It's an all metal with design top, strengthened by the sides, the support. And we're going to assemble by grabbing one bar at a time, placing the shelf upside down, and lining up the hole and the bolt in, and placing the Allen key and starting to screw down. The Allen key in the slot and screwing on and placing it identical and matching up like so. And putting on the last piece and locking down. We have the second shelf. We have the hole here. We're going to place in and match up the hole. We're going to turn upside down and holding, placing in the bolt on one side, grabbing, and repeating for the other side as well, and grabbing. Once all 3 bolts are in, we're going to start to tighten everything down. With all 6 bolts secured down, we're going to flip on over. We have here our plastic feet. They do not adjust. And our design is as close as we can with the ladybug. In the kitchen, where you need to decorate and add additional plant holders, you could put planters on top and other items that no longer need to have storage, like so. Barbecuing or sitting by your chair, put a planter on, or have something on the bottom that you could put small plants as well. You have a place for your coffee, snacks, and more, indoor and/or outdoor, plant and table stand. It measures 15 inches in diameter, 14.96, and 16 plus inches in height. It is a 2-tier shelf, a small shelf on the bottom that you could put plants on. You could put your tall plants, short plants on as well, and place them on the bottom as needed. Enjoy your plant stand, coffee table, snack table, indoor and outdoor. And thank you for viewing.